Hi. I got a request to explain how to pollinate a Mormodes, and I figured a short video about how to do it would be easier to understand than trying to explain it in words. So here I have a Mormodes that just started blooming a couple days ago. And first, I am going to remove the lip or the labellum, which kind of sort of blocks access to the column. So here are a little pair of scissors. Just clip it off, and that exposes the column, which is that little part in the center with the yellow um, part where the pollen needs to go. It's like a sticky gel, and the pollen is located underneath a little cap at the end of the column that I'm gonna get off with a bamboo skewer. You just kind of touch it just underneath the cap, and then the little glue pad pops out, which normally would hit a bee and get it stuck to the back of the bee. So here I'm trying to get it stuck to a different skewer, but it's not working so well for me. So I'm just gonna pull the little red cap off of the pollen area, and those two brown little pellets at the end of it are the pollen packs. I'm gonna pull those off with a small pair of tweezers and put them right there on that sticky yellow bit of on the underside of the column where they need to get to in order to pollinate the flower. Just put them on there and press them in there a little bit so that they make good contact. And that's pretty much all you need to do to pollinate a Mormotis. Obviously, you could get pollen from a different plant or try and do an intergeneric cross with some other Catasetum family orchid. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The removing of the lip also has the added benefit that bees can't come by and pollinate this uh, on their own. So that's pretty much it.